Good afternoon, all of you. Now, today we'll start relation functions, exercise 1.1, question number 1, first part. Question says that a relation capital R is defined on this set A. Set A is from 1 to 14. And how the relation is defined? You know, relation contain ordered pair x comma y. What is the formula? What is the formula relating x and y? 3x minus y equal to 0. So, how to simplify? We have to check whether the relation is reflexive, symmetric, or transitive. Step 1, first we'll form the ordered pair or we'll form the relation. Now if I take the value of x as 1, because first value of x will be 1, set A first element is 1. If I take 1 here, the value y will be 3 now, because y is equal to 3x. So if I take 1, it will be 3 times of that. For 2 it will be 6. If I take 3 it will be 9. If I take 4 it will be 12. But if I take 5, the y will come 15. But 15 is not there in the set. It is from 1 to 14 only. So only 4 ordered pair will come, 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9 and 4, 12. Now we'll check whether the relation is reflexive or not. For reflexive, you know, same element should be there. If I take the first element of set A, that is 1 belongs to set A, but 1 comma 1 does not belong to R. There is no 1 comma 1 in this. So the relation is not reflexive. No need to check for the other terms. Then for symmetric, we take the ordered pair. 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Yes, it belongs, but its opposite 3 comma 1 does not belong to R. 3 comma 1 does not belong to R, therefore R is not symmetric. For symmetric, A comma B implies B comma A should also be there. Now for transitive, you know the formula, general formula, if AB belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, then it should imply A and C also belongs to R. But the important thing is that these two elements have to be same. So if I say 1 comma 3 belongs to R, yes, 1 comma 3 belongs to R. Then I say 3 comma 9 belongs to R, yes, 3 comma 9 also belongs to R. So they are identical. So 1 comma 9 should also belong, no? Then only the relation will be transitive. But 1 comma 9 does not belong to R. There is no 1 comma 9 in this. So therefore the relation is not transitive also. So this relation is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Similarly, question number second part of this. This is the relation, and this relation is defined on set of natural numbers. All natural numbers 1 to infinity. So if I take the first natural number 1, what is the value of y? 5 plus 1, 6. For 2, it will be 7. For 3, it will be 8. We cannot take more than that because it is given that x value is less than 4. That means all natural numbers which are less than 4. So I will take 1, 2 and 3. So these three elements will come in the relation. Now for reflexive, 1 is the first natural number. 1 belongs to a natural number, but 1 comma 1 is not there. So the relation is not reflexive. Now 1 comma 6 belongs to R. Yes, it belongs to R, but its opposite 6 comma 1 is not there. Therefore the relation is not transitive. Now comes the transitive part.